Big day today, another one. We had three decisions, one expense, one revenue, and one was flat. We had a huge trade, uh, captain set up short and actually got followed by another signal, which is a switch trade. It was an amazing setup. We took advantage of it and we ended up the day at 2,090 plus dollars. Let's take a look and see how that day worked out. All right, so on this trade, the market quickly gave us an inception trade, and I added to that trade, but it was quite obvious to me that the market is going to close this 200 into Rinko candle, and by doing that, it invalidated my trade, and I took a stop right there. Now here's the big one: a captain set up short on the 200 into Rinko, and I said to everybody in the room, I'm going to get aggressive. My stop is at the high of that actual candle, and I'm going to short in a range at very specific prices. So I got three contracts here, and I actually, I was in the profit about 15 points, which is a healthy $1,000, $1,000 or so on that actual trade. But I didn't want to take it because I felt the market has a lot more to offer. And especially whenever you are in a situation where you have a 200 NTU Rinko short signal and also 100 NTU Rinko short signal as well. So, and I added to it here, and I was adding in a range around level number one, harmony level number one, which is the yellow zone, and the second one above it, I was willing to add into that trade. And here the sellers starting to overwhelm the buyers, and I was looking to add some more, and then we were, ended up with 5 contracts. Now, I'm not necessarily comfortable or happy with the fact that this has taken a bit of time for it to work out. So I took 2 contracts off just to kind of reduce my exposure, and I took it for a profit, and I left 3 contracts for us to see if we can actually get our target. And where is our target? At 941, which is below target number 3, and I was looking for that flush in and around that time. And the market, here you go. It gives us another opportunity on 5 contracts now for almost 20 points, and I don't take it either there, because I've seen these signals so many times. The market has a lot more to offer. And now the eventual flush comes in and start taking out the lows, and it's accompanied by some news. I took those 2 contracts off right here. I'm left with 3, and now you could see the boom. I'm out. And then I take the third one, and that took us to $2,000, $2,090 for that day. And here on the retracement to level 2, I took 1 additional short. Then I went break even very quickly, and the market stopped me, and I kind of ended up the day positive $2,000 and done.